Hi there, welcome back. But if you don't know me yet, I'm Chris V, a watercolor and creative skills teacher living in the desert. I have over 20 classes here on Skillshare, and I also have a YouTube channel, plus more in-depth courses available on my website. I've produced creative lessons for Bonnie Christine's Flourish membership, Emily Jeffords' The Collective membership, Peggy Dean's art blog, and I've also created tutorials for sustainable paint brand Viviva Colors. I'm back on Skillshare with a series of shorter classes that will cover many of the watercolor basics like color theory, color mixing, sketching versus drawing, watercolor hand lettering, and more. This class series is designed to help you build your watercolor painting skills from the ground up. Even if you've been painting for a while, it's a great idea to go back to some basics every so often. In case you'd like to refine your process, break creative block with some new ideas, or up your painting game by going deeper. This class series will be perfect for beginner to intermediate watercolor students, and I'll be sharing examples with you along the way, as well as helpful PDF resources so you can stay on track. In the first class of the series, I show you how to create a functional and inspiring studio space where you will love to paint over and over again, and repeat the process whenever you move studios. In this class, I'll be talking about inspiration, how you find it, how you hang on to it, and why it seems so elusive when you need it most. I'll share some fun facts, some scientific discoveries, and some heart-centered ideas you can use for years to come to keep that creative spark ignited. I'll invite you to share images of things that inspire you, answer some basic questions on the class worksheet, and learn a bit more about what makes you tick creatively. My painting process has become more than just a fun hobby or diversion. It's a lifestyle, a stress reliever when I'm feeling life's pressure, a dopamine booster when I'm feeling down, and a form of meditation that I can take with me everywhere I go. That's why I decided to learn more about inspiration and how it works, and now I want to share everything I've learned with you. Ready to dive into inspiration and some of its inner workings? Join me in the next lesson and we'll get started. I'll see you there.